What's up, y'all? We're going back to the video game well, and we're going to listen to some new video game music that I've never heard before. This is Chris Christodoulou, The Rain, formerly known as Purple. Risk of Rain is the game, I'm guessing. Risk of Rain 2. This is from 2020. The Rain, formerly known as Purple, obviously is a Prince reference, so we're going to be listening for Prince quotes in the music. It's a long one, so strap in, and I'm going to try to dissect as many of the chords and leads as I can. Make sure you check out Patreon, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think I should listen to after this. Why don't we just get right into it? Thank you so much for the Patreon request. This is from Patreon, so thank you for it. Let's get to it. Come on. Sick bass line already. It's more like a Billie Jean, Michael Jackson thing, right? Okay, some pad over the top, some percussion, more bass, halftime. 1, 2. There it is. So far the song it's grabbed me. I'm not analyzing it, I'm just listening to the music, man. I'm just feeling it. God, it makes you move, huh? There's some lead. One of the keyboards with the little vibrato wheelie things. Love the keyboards here. This is nice. I love that tone. I would love to get that tone on my guitar. That'd be sick. Even though it's a piano trying to sound like a guitar. How cool would it be to have a guitar sounding like a piano trying to sound like a guitar? That would be sick. Okay, let's keep this thing going. I have nothing really to say about the harmony or anything yet. Let's keep listening. Oh, there's guitar. Don't know exactly where that's played. We'll get there, though. God, all the instruments are perfectly placed in the pocket here. It's like the head. This is the main part, the A section. Take the high end out. Put a filter on it so all you hear is the low frequencies. I love doing that. It's a classic lo-fi move. And they bring it back in for a sec, but it's still out. Wonder what's happening at this point in the game, huh? It's exploring, picking up leaves and fruits and vegetables. Fat triplet right there. Claps. Is that new? Sounds like real guitar, not a piano, not a keyboard. But it has that same tone on it. I don't know if I can get that tone right now, but let's find, first we find the key. C, so I know it's in C. I don't know if it does anything like that, but let's keep listening. There it was, right when I said I don't think it does anything like that, and then that note is just crispy and twangy. So, and then what? It's called a pinch harmonic. You have to pluck the string. Let's see if I can show you with the pick, and then hit your thumb right after it, and it shoots it up, makes it sound like an octave higher. Or even an octave higher than that. Let's see. So that's just a G, and then if I hit it with the pick, and then hit it with my thumb. So I'll do it slow. See, but it didn't really work. But you do it at the same time, or like very shortly thereafter, like pa-pa, super consecutive. Maybe you've heard those, Zach Wilds. They're not that easy to do, especially if you haven't done them in years, but up here. You can hear it does a lot of cool stuff with the tone. A lot of just blues licks. And it kind of has, let's see if I can do wah, like. Also, it's impossible to do the wah without doing the phase. So what a wah does is it changes the frequency. So listen, it's low, and it's high. So it's kind of like what I was talking about earlier when they put the filter on, so you're up high, and then they drop the highs out. And some guitar players like to put the wah on, and it's a pedal. I can't show you right now on the camera, but it's a pedal like this. So up here, it's low. Down here, it's high. And then some people like to cock it right in the middle for their solos. And then I like to just do the classic Jimi Hendrix. Or I can put on my octave pedal here. I can go grab a bite to eat and come back. That note's still going. Okay, not quite. If I can put a compressor on. It gives it a little extra length. Okay, so guitar can do a lot of cool stuff. Let's keep listening. Get the right tone here. You can extend those notes, like to have them really long, to get like a violin kind of tone. In fact, let me hit that for you right now. Check this out. So let's keep it in the same key. Let me turn off the vocal mic. You can hear my pick through the vocal mic, so check this out. Not really sure how violin-y that sounded, but that's just some more cool stuff you can do with the guitar there. And what I'm hearing on this track, which is very interesting, what I'm hearing is it sounds like a freaking keyboard doing a guitar solo, but I'm pretty sure it's a guitar solo because of the pinch harmonic, but let's just keep it going. also, if you're enjoying this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, all that stuff below. And if you do subscribe, you are helping me achieve my lifelong dream of building a senior Chihuahua sanctuary where we can all hang out with the senior Chihuahuas and have a good time. And that one's not even really that much of a joke. That one's kind of real. Onward. That's a real guitar. Or it's a keyboard player who's really good at sounding. I didn't even talk about the chord progression. Still shredding. I want it to end on E flat major. Oh, that was the most interesting part of the whole song. How'd we get to B flat? B flat minor now. Major. Oh, that's freaking awesome, dude. Wow. I wanted it to end on a major chord. I assumed, because we're in C minor, doing this chord progression, it would end on E flat major, which is the same notes as C minor, but a minor third up on the root, making it the relative major, which I always talk about. However, it did some weird change. We gotta figure that out. So it slowed down, just how I expected it to. We're in C minor. Or are we in B flat already? Okay, we're in B flat already. Let's back up to where it first did that. Yeah, it just kind of, now we're in B flat all of a sudden, which is the 7 chord of the song. So that's why when I first heard it was crazy, because it sounded like it went from C minor to B flat minor, which is a super jazz move, right? So it's kind of just now bouncing between B flat major and B flat minor. in a really cool, advanced way. Hit it. It's modal. This is very modal. I'm hearing that kind of a move. But the bass stays the same, so it could be, let's see, we're going F sharp. And this would be taking from the main progression. The main progression was a C minor, which is the 1 chord, to the flat, we'll call it the 1 chord, 7, 6, 7, 1. And then now if we change here, this is the 1, this is the flat 7. We call it flat 7 now because now our 1 is major. So our 7 would be like a diminished, but we're not hearing diminished, we're hearing a flat 7. A flat 6, a flat 7, and a 1. So anytime you hear me say flat 7 or 7, if it's 7, it's because we're in minor initially, and the 7 chord is naturally a 7. You don't have to say flat, it's just implied that it's flat. But if we're in major, and we want to go down to the same chord, it's got to be called flat 7, and then flat 6, because the 6 is here. Right, so here's 1, 6, right? Very natural sounding. You've heard it a million times. Look like an angel, talk like an angel, right? Very similar, or very, not similar, very organic sounding. But if I want to do a flat 6, and what's cool is it has the B flat in it either way. So you can go, or, so I'm singing, or I'm singing, yeah. Very cool, right? So I'm hearing that kind of harmony, but I'm hearing the bass staying here, so it could be. All right, now I'm not getting that 100%. But I am getting the vibe of it, and dude, totally awesome. Thank you, I believe, Cameron on Patreon for the requests. I love video game music. I love video games, so I'm gonna love the music. And obviously, if there's no lyrics to get in the way, I can really dive into the harmony, melody, rhythm, all of that stuff. That's all I got for y'all today. Make sure you check me out on Patreon if you want to submit songs to the poll. The free tier, go over and subscribe for free. You can vote on the polls every Friday through Sunday, or Friday through Monday at 9 a.m. That's going to be all the suggestions from the paid tier on Patreon. So you pay to submit the songs, but you can vote for free. Also, I'm going to be doing guitar lessons here on YouTube live. So a live stream with, if we have 5 people on the other end, 10, 1, however many people sign up for the YouTube membership, we're going to do 1 monthly live guitar stream. Check that out on YouTube membership. We also do live for everybody, just Thursdays at 12 o'clock Pacific time. That's usually do about an hour or 2. Listening to your favorite songs. We're also going to be doing a Ren live stream Saturday, June 7th at 12 o'clock Pacific time. That's going to be awesome. We're going to fill in all my Ren knowledge, all the stuff I've missed so far. Those are all the live streams, but we're also going to be doing every month a specialty live stream. So we might go back to 21 Pilots live stream. We might do a Taylor Swift Eras Tour live stream, which would have to be on Twitch and Patreon because I think YouTube would shut that shit down so fast. All right, that's all of my plugs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate the love. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.